Hello everyone, today we're making tomato toast. It's a savory and complex recipe. So first off, we're going to remove tomato stems, then we're going to put them in boiling water for a bit. Next we're going to remove our tomatoes from the water and put them on plate, and then when cooled we're going to peel our tomatoes. Then we're going to slice them in two. Next we're going to chop some garlic, put it in a pan with olive oil. Afterwards we're going to add our tomatoes to the pan, some salt, thyme, and pepper on top. Next, we're going to take our tomatoes and put them on the plate. Then we're going to take our plate and put it in the oven. Then we're going to take some olive oil, add garlic, thyme, and we're going to take our bread and brush it with our mix on the slices. Add some Parmesan, and next we're going to take our tomato out of the oven. Then we're going to add our bread to the oven. When ready, we take our toast out and we lay our tomatoes on top. Then basil leaf and finally some pepper. And voila, bon appetit! Don't forget to like, follow and download the Toast Recipe app to discover more recipes like this one. Ciao ciao!